Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome back to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency. I'm Reg, and today we're going to learn 10 more essential Japanese phrases for daily conversation, Part 5. These phrases will help you navigate daily life in Japan even better. Let's get started, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more language learning tips. Let's start! Our first phrase for today is "いいですね," which means that's good or sounds good. For example, if someone suggests a plan and you like it, you can say いいですね, sugoi, amazing or wow. For example, when you see something impressive, you can say すごい. 何ですか? What is it? To ask what something is, say 何ですか? Which means what is it? If you see something you don't recognize, you can ask 何ですか? ちょっと待ってください. Please wait a moment. To ask someone to wait for a moment, you can say ちょっと待ってください. For example, if you need someone to wait, you can say ちょっと待ってください. どうぞ, here you go, or please go ahead. When offering something to someone or inviting them to go ahead, use どうぞ. For example, when giving someone a gift or letting them go ahead of you, say どうぞ. いいえ, no. To say no in Japanese, simply use いいえ. For example, if you need to say no, you can just say いいえ. はい, yes. To say yes in Japanese, use はい. For example, when you want to agree or say yes, just say はい. どうしましたか? What's wrong? For example, if someone looks troubled, you can ask どうしましたか? お久しぶりです. Long time no see. For example, when you see someone you haven't seen in a while, you can say お久しぶりです. お疲れ様です. Thank you for your hard work. To acknowledge someone's hard work, say お疲れ様です. For example, after a long day at work, you can say お疲れ様です. Great job, everyone! Today we covered 10 more essential Japanese phrases for daily conversation. Remember to practice these phrases to get comfortable using them. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Japanese language tips. Arigato for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mata ne!